for the right vehicle? Today could be your lucky day. This vehicle is equipped with great options, and it could be yours. Contact the dealer today, request more information, and set up a test drive right away. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, rear bumper protector, PIO, braking assist. Inside you'll find audio, internet radio, Pandora, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, Mazda Connect, satellite communications, audio, speed-sensitive volume control, child safety locks, vehicle assistance app, roadside assistance, multifunction display, compass, trip odometer.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.